everybody, welcome back to EMS and Power Melbourne Shuffle. My name is Gribbz. You guys might already know that. If you're not subscribed and updated, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications when I do upload a video, okay? I want to add on to the T-step a little bit more, but showing you guys like what I call like a back pump. So basically when you're T-stepping, we went over, normal T-step, right? Front, back, reverse T-step, and pivoting and T-stepping in all directions. Then I covered the foot flicks, which if you remember, you come down more, you kind of come up, it's like more of a flag looking formation. When you come down, it gives you that certain look and like feel when you add that flick. Now I want to talk about, I'm calling these like leg pumps, and what I mean by that is it's pumping your leg back, just something else that you can add in. I use them sometimes, but I figured, hey, I want to show you guys everything that I do, or everything that I've learned or come across, because if you drill each one of these things enough and you add it into your style, I mean, that's what's going to make you unique and something different. So let's begin. So basically, by this point, you should be fairly decent at, you have your normal T-step down. Okay, normal T-step going down, however far out you want to go, or tight you want to keep it, is fine, right? Okay. Now with these leg pumps, like these back leg pumps, is mainly for like when you're rocking out. And if you haven't, or if you don't know what rocking is, go back to series 1 near the end, and rocking technique will be like explained more. But basically, when you're rocking out with your T-steps, you can do foot flicks, right? Let me do it from the side here. You can do foot flicks, okay? You can do different angles, right? With your T-step, like brushing across the leg, okay? And then you can also do these leg pumps like that. They're almost like kicks, but I like to call it like a leg pump. This will be a pretty short video. It's nothing crazy. I just want to add it in there. Just something else for you guys to maybe practice or add into your flow. So you're literally just, if you're rocking out, excuse me, in your figure 8 pattern, or whatever pattern you come up with, right? Once you have this down, you can start adding different things in it, like that leg pump, okay? So I usually like to add it when I'm going back. And there's no specific pattern or drill that I'm doing. This is literally just something that you can throw in there, just something else, And I know I'll come across more things in time that I'll add into this series, and like I said, I just want to show you guys. But so again, for example, we're getting into it, right? We're getting into our rocking, our T-steps. Okay. Adding that like leg pump, maybe 1 or 2. Is just something else that you could throw in there. Like I said, I don't use them too frequently. It's again, when you start to get to the point where you're doing foot flicks and you're on one foot, that's going to require a lot of balance, a lot of practice. But just something else that I wanted to throw in there. Again, okay, we'll do it from the side. Okay, nothing too crazy. Maybe it looks kind of goofy, maybe it looks kind of weird. but it's something I've seen OGs do and or use in their flow or in their rocking. And it's like the more things you have to throw in your rocking, like the foot flicks with the crossed angles, with the normal T-step, with the reverse T-step, and the changing and using all the space, you know, the more like diverse you're gonna look, or more like unique to your own like style. So that's about it. I'm not gonna float to any music or anything like that. It's just something else that I wanted to put into the series for you guys. You're literally just pumping your leg back, kind of like you're kicking your leg forward if you're doing a T-step, okay? So use that to help you travel with your micro bounces or your T-steps, okay? It's a way to help you, it helps you like travel along a little bit, I noticed. And like I said, it's just something else you can throw into your rocking. Right now I feel comfortable doing like 2 and then switch. So I'll be like 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, or you can do 1, 1, switch, 1, switch, 1, switch, 1, switch, you know? So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys, on we can call it like a back T-step, like leg pump or back leg kick. Okay, that's it. All right, see you guys on the dance floor. If you're not subscribed, again, please subscribe, hit the bell also for more videos to come. All right, later.